beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. I cannot find, where did my mirror go? Sorry, this lighting really sucks right now because the way the sun is hitting my window. But good morning, you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys can see, I'm in the car. I just finished doing my makeup. Troy has his end of year performance. And then afterwards, I have a photo shoot with my photographer. We're doing some like editorial / branding shooting. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait because I miss working with India. Like I love, not only do I love working with India because she is so professional. She's amazing. And like our visions just align so perfectly. But like this is just a way for me to like get back in the groove and get back motivated again to like shoot content and make sure my hair is done, make sure my face is done. Like, stop walking around looking like a scallywag, okay? So I'm so excited. So since I had some time to kill before their performance, makeup and hair is already done. Use these silk rollers or overnight rollers. Y'all know how they can be sometimes. They be leaving the lumps and stuff. I don't like that. I think when I get to the studio, I'm gonna just kind of comb through and like make sure it's pushed down. Inside my car is dark. And so with the sun booming in like this, it's giving weird vibes. I bought my flat iron. I bought, oh, I forgot my steamer. Oh my God. So I got my steamer because just in case something is wrinkled, but she is so magical. She could probably edit the wrinkles out if anything. But yeah, I'm just worried about my tracks. I know people love going ham on the hard wig soft life. I'm done with the hard wigs in 2026, but I just don't like my lace and stuff showing. So, but these are clip-ins. I just put my clip-ins back in because I just wanted more of a natural look with length, okay? So I want a natural look with length, and so I put my clip-ins back in, and I just love it. So it's time to go in to go see my big boy perform, my baby boy perform. I'm a big boy. We're going to head to the studio to get some shots done, and I cannot wait. Like I just love doing photo shoots. It's so fun. I love shooting my kids and they love it too. However, it just takes longer because I gotta make sure they're fed, they're well rested, they're hydrated, just to make sure everything goes smooth and we knock it out the park. But when it's just me, I can like, look, just tell me what pose, tell me the angle, make sure I look good, and I got you, girl. So it's just gonna be me today. This will go smooth and everything. So let's go inside. So I just want to say good morning and let's go inside. So I did my nails last night. Y'all know I went back to using my Amazon nails. I just wanted like a basic French manicure look. I have so many BTR Gel X nails that I forgot that I had ordered these. So I was like, okay, oh, these are simple, they're classy. I think these aren't the stilettos, but they're almond, but they look like stilettos. I don't know, but I love these, and these are the brown ones. I usually use the one with the pink base, but I decided to go with a more natural brown color. So yeah, of course, everything will be linked down below and everything that I use for my face. So let's go inside. This is nice. About to shoot some magic with my girl. This is so nice. Add some curls to the hair. All right, let me go ahead and get ready. So these are all my outfits here. That's why I was like, let me take a video before it gets messy in here. This is so nice. And you're looking for a studio, this is a really nice place to come. Yes. Almost 13 years later, I am still going strong on my creative entrepreneur journey, y'all. Can y'all believe that? As grateful as I am to be on this journey, especially something that I didn't know God had in store for me, it has been so many ups, but definitely a lot of downs, especially as of late. We are finally in June, y'all, and it has been a year since I've had any brand partnerships, collaborations, and honestly, I've been very depressed about it, very discouraged, very weary. Plays a part in why I haven't been showing up. I want to quit just for the sake of my mental health because this is a lot. God reminds me of Galatians 6:9 when he reminds me of that verse and why it's so important not to quit. I keep going, and here I I am rebranding, rebuilding, redefining, and just reinventing myself so I could continue on this journey, doing what God is calling me to do, not doing stuff because it's trending, not doing things because everybody else is doing, but doing exactly what He called me to do. Since moving to Austin, working with India has been one of the greatest blessings ever, not only because she's an amazing, talented, and gifted Black woman, Black photographer. These photo shoots bring something out of me. It motivates me, it inspires me, and I think I'm pretty good at it. I love doing photo shoot, creative direction. I don't know, it's something about it. But all in all, here I am doing this once again. God placed a strategic plan in my heart to execute exactly what He wants me to do moving forward. Not because it's trending, not because everybody's doing it, but what He specifically has called me to do. For so long, I wanted to mold myself into this kind of creator or look this way and do these things. And I'm like, first of all, I need to live within my means, okay? But also, I need to share my honest truth. I need to share my God-given gifts, be obedient to the calling that He has called me to do. And also, I want to do this for my family. I want to show them that all the years that I've put in, my husband and my kids and all that this is worth it. Give them a beautiful life. I build a legacy. I want to build abundance. I'm so blessed to be doing something that nobody in my bloodline, in my family line has done or is doing. Generational game changer in my family. I cannot do this without God, but also without y'all. Y'all have been rocking with me since my Maryland days, since Maddie was born. And the fact that some of y'all are still rocking with me, I thank y'all so much. And I just cannot wait for y'all to see what is ahead for me. So of course, support by watching, clicking the links and all that, but stay tuned for what is to come on this journey ahead.
You guys, photo shoot done. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap on set.
Ew, it's been so long, y'all. So come say hi to India. This is my girl.
Hey, girl, hey.
Yes, I will leave her handle right here and her link in the description box because since working with her, since moving here, it's just been good times, but
amazing
also
times.
Magic.
First of all, no other photographer out there is gonna take her from me.
No.
Chrissy in front of the camera, top tier. Everything is T. Love it.
No, I just love working with her. Like when I found her, when I first moved here, I was like, that's gonna be my girl. So every time we get together, it's always good times, but we create such beautiful magic together. So if you're here, and she also shoots in Louisiana, right? Mm-hmm. So if you're in Louisiana, she travels there as well. So she will make you feel beautiful and she will shoot her shot because she's just that good. But this place is so nice. So this is the Lumen room. I showed y'all before, this is the Lumen room here in Leander. So they have two different two different studios, and it is just beautiful. The lighting is this is how I want my house to be. I want my house to be bright and airy like this. So I'll leave their link down below for y'all as well. And yeah, so it's almost time to go pick up the kiddos, but magic happened and mission complete. So, so I'll see you guys later. It's not. We'll stick with buttermilk. This is the cheapest one. All right, let's go get what we came here for.
beautiful people? Hope you guys are doing well. So we're back at home now from running errands this morning because tell y'all, the best mom hack, or it's a life hack for everybody, it's not just for mamas. The best life hack ever, especially as a mom, go to the grocery store or run your errands in the morning time if you're able to. Everybody has a different schedule and different lifestyle, but if you are able to run your errands in the morning, praise Jesus, hallelujah. Came back from Whole Foods and running some errands. It is the last day of school. Ooh, the last day of school. It's the last day of school. It's the last day of school. Ay, ay, ay. About to pop the chicken head real quick. I like it when she do that right there. Last day of school for my kids, and I'm so grateful. Thank you, God, for allowing them to make it through another school year. Thank you for them doing so well another school year. Thank you for great teachers, for safe travels to and from school every single day. Like, I'm just so grateful. Especially as parents, y'all know how busy it can be with kids, all these activities and things, choir, band, all these things. It has just been non-stop, which is why I apologize. I apologize for not showing up much. Girl, when I am done taking them all over yonder, I just be tired, okay? If I can just keep it real with y'all. So yeah, now we get to rest and now we have more time to do stuff. So after school, I'm gonna take them to get some ice cream to celebrate the last day of school. And then I think tonight we're gonna, either tonight or tomorrow, we're gonna do our summer bucket list. Every summer we do like a bucket list of things that we wanna do. So yeah, we're gonna just sit down because there's so much to do here around Austin that I feel like we've just been so busy that we really haven't gone out and done a lot of things and see a lot of things. And I gotta do something with this hair, girl. Like y'all be wanting us content creators to be real and all that, but girl, I hate coming on here looking crazy and a mess, but I'm doing my hair today. So I got my hat on, so that when this hat is on, that means my hair is crazy underneath. So tonight I'm gonna stay up and do my sew-in because I am going on a trip. I'm going on a trip this weekend, so I gotta make sure I look nice and presentable. So yeah, let me go ahead and get the grocery up because they have been in the car. But I was meant to tell y'all, I went to Whole Foods, right? And I told y'all how I was looking for the pack of waters that have the spouts. So I guess all Whole Foods are different. So great, thank God. The one I went to had them. So this is the pack here. And what I love about these, for one, it comes with 24 in a pack, and it's $10, which is not bad in my opinion when it comes to their sports. My toddler, I just love the spouts because the Texas, I think it's the Texas brand. Yeah, it's the Texas Spring Water. Ozarka, which is a Texas Spring Water brand, they have the water spouts too. And we were getting it at Costco, in a big pack at Costco, but for some reason, they have not been selling them at Costco. And I'm like a little mad about that. You know, with the twisty lids and stuff like that. Put it back on and then it wastes and spill like stuff like that. So I love the spouts, especially for my baby, because it's just easier for him to put it on and off. Also, it avoids spills. But Whole Foods has it as well. So they do sell the individual ones, but I love finding the pack because you get more in there. So we're running out of them. So I wanted to go re-up and get some more for the summer or just for the month or whatnot. So when we go out for picnics, go out and about, go out for picnics. I just love the spouts on it. So hack for my mamas, my parents out there, especially if you have little ones. They have sippy cups and stuff like that. But if you forget your sippy cups or you don't have a sippy cup around, definitely get these. Like I said, they have the individuals. We got the 6-pack at Heyyy, but I love getting the pack at Costco, but I have not been able to find it and I'm a little mad about that. So yeah, this or the one from Whole Foods, and this one is a 24-pack. Troy is laying down right now. He wakes up super early. He takes an early nap. So I need to get productive. Right now it's after 11 o'clock. It's after 11 o'clock and I have to pick up the kids. They wanted me to pick them up from school early, but I was like, no, y'all need to enjoy the last day. Enjoy the last days of school with your friends and stuff. And then afterwards, I'm gonna take them to get some ice cream. So without any further ado, let's get productive. Let's put the stuff up and I'll see y'all. people? Hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys can see, I am in here packing up to go on a solo trip. I am so excited. Of course, if you guys are following me, I think, yeah, by the time I edit and get this posted, if you're following me on Instagram and TikTok, of course, y'all will know where I am. I'm gonna have an Empire State of Mind. If you know, you know. So I'm going on a short trip. It's kind of like a solo trip by myself. My sister's getting married and this is her weekend. I'm super excited to go celebrate her and her fiance. I used to celebrate her and my new brother-in-law to be. So excited for them. So I am going by myself just because I don't know if people are paying attention to these flight prices, but they are crazy wicked expensive right now. All 5 of us to go, it would have been really expensive. So Maddie and I were going to go. Even for us to go together, it would have been expensive. Plus Daddy has to work. So my in-laws are here to watch the kids. And Mom is going to be outside. Mommy's about to be outside in these New York streets. Hey. So the school year is over and I feel like this is like perfect timing for me to just enjoy myself, relax, chill, and just recoup. So part of my whole rebranding, and this is like perfect timing, like in redoing my whole life, like because I've been so busy, so much noise, so much pouring into this thing, that thing, the third, that I just haven't really sat down and just poured into myself, just gaining my creativity back. I feel like this trip is at a perfect time because it is allowing me to do just that. So with that being said, I am over here packing up my items, getting my makeup together. Because like I said, it's just a short trip, but I just want to make sure I have everything. My super goop, my skin tint, because I looked at the weather and it doesn't look like New York is supposed to be hot. I'm a skin tint girly. I love some good skin tint. So I got to make sure I can take my Danessa Myris. And I had a travel size of this. I don't know where I put it. So I'm just going to take my inflatable just because of the sizing. And then, yeah, just take all my makeup. Just going to take that and call it a day. And yeah, I'm so excited to get to see my family on my dad's side and get to celebrate my sister and just enjoy time to myself. Because like I said, I've just been so busy. I've just been so busy with the kids. And I feel bad I haven't shown them much in this vlog. But just literally when I say I've just been so busy with them, like it's just been nonstop. So this is just a nice little break to recoup. I said just sit down, rebrand, and get ready to take on these next 6 months of 2026 because I have no other choice. I have no other choice. God has been pushing me and calling me to bigger and better things. And I cannot just sit here and expect things to just come to me. I cannot expect things to be handed to me, come to me out the sky. Faith, literally faith without works is dead. And I just need to sit down and get my plans in order, get my mind in order. I think this trip is like divine timing to do just that. So with that being said, I have a 6:30 flight, so I need to get my butt in bed, but I still gotta wrap my hair, I still gotta pack my camera gear and stuff. Like I still have a lot to do, y'all. So with that being said, let's get our lives together, let's pack, and let's go to New York. Concrete jungle where dreams